Meantime, the Cuyahoga County Health Commissioner says now is the time to be proactive, not complacent, as Ohio begins the process of reopening the economy. News 5's Jade Jarvis tells us some local business owners are already on board, and they're hoping others will join them.
You can see by this sign that the owners of JoJo's Automotive here in Parma are taking social distancing orders seriously. It's what Cuyahoga County health officials say is the best path to getting us all back to a sense of normal life. After 2.5 weeks of being closed, JoJo's is back in business with some slight adjustments.
I stay at the desk. I'm still 6 feet away from people. If the mechanics come in, they're still 6 feet away from me.
Owner Laura Hannick is a cancer survivor, which makes her high risk if she contracts the virus. She and her staff also decided to limit their office space to 2 people at a time and closed off the waiting room entirely. And they're sanitizing anything they touch, like car keys.
I just have to explain, it's for your safety from me, it's your safety from our employees, and it's my safety from you.
Those added precautions fall in line with the social distancing and health safety measures Cuyahoga County Health Commissioner Terry Allan says are needed, even as the state moves toward reopening.
We have to remember that our case counts and fatality numbers are still increasing.
Allan says limited testing continues to be a challenge. Because of that, tests are being prioritized for communities most vulnerable to the virus, like people in nursing homes, healthcare workers, and first responders.
Recent reports from the state tell us that less than 1%, around 102,000 Ohioans, have been tested. These data speak to the reasons why we ask that you do all you can to stay healthy and to protect those who are most vulnerable.
That's why Hannick is doing all she can to protect herself, her employees, and her customers.
It's just important to constantly sanitize and wash your hands and stay that 6 feet away, please, please.
Despite the increase in cases and deaths, there is a glimmer of hope. The County Board of Health says Tuesday marked the first time since the pandemic that they've recorded more recoveries than confirmed cases. In Parma, Jade Jarvis, News 5.